In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix camera blocked on Google Meet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your browser and in Windows so your camera can be used during meetings. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Meet. In the results, click the official link that takes you to meet.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, log into your Google account so you're on the Meet homepage. Next, let's check your browser permissions. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser window and choose Settings. On the Settings page, select Privacy and Security. Then open Site Settings. Depending on your browser, you might see Privacy and Security in the sidebar, and then need to click Site Settings again to reach the Detailed Permissions page. Keep going until you see the section that lists individual permissions for things like location, microphone, and camera. Open Camera. If your browser shows a camera device dropdown, make sure the correct camera is selected. Confirm that camera access isn't globally blocked or turned off. Then look for the list of sites under Not Allowed or Blocked. If meet.google.com appears there, remove the block by clicking the trash can or clear button next to it. This resets the permission so the browser will ask again the next time you visit Meet. After making these changes, return to your Meet tab and refresh the page so the new permission takes effect. If the browser is allowed to use the camera but it's still blocked, Windows may be restricting access at the system level. Open Windows Settings, click Privacy and Security, then select Camera. Here, make sure camera access is turned on. This master switch lets Windows provide camera access to apps. Also turn on Let desktop apps access your camera. Your web browser falls into this category, so if this is off, Meet won't be able to use the camera even if the browser setting looks correct. With those controls enabled, go back to your browser and continue on Google Meet. If a permission prompt appears, choose Allow so the site can use your camera. If you have more than one camera connected, you can pick the right one from the device list inside Meet's settings later. That's it. By confirming the browser's site settings for camera and enabling camera access in Windows Privacy and Security, you've cleared the most common causes of a blocked camera in Google Meet.